In today's video, I show you how to make things disappear with plates. So that's good, isn't it? Not that.
Plate.
No.
It's paper, but it's a plate with watermelons on it, which is clearly yours. That's what you meant, yeah?
Right, it's nothing to do with those kind of plates. The type of plates that really help you out in your videos. So for example, if someone's annoying you, you might want, say, a Nerf gun. Ooh. To deal with that kind of situation, just use a plate.
Right, I think I know what you mean. I was kind of assuming that you'd be like, oh, wouldn't it be handy if we had a camera right now to make this video? And like, you just reach out and grab one. There's a camera right there. I mean, it's...
Now you're getting it.
Yeah.
You can use it in so many different ways. In that example, I'd like to use a plate to introduce a soundboard so I could give AJ a round of applause. And there's my plate.
Right, okay.
I mean,
that's how it's going to be the whole way through, isn't it?
Right, can you cut that bit out? And we'll just, where's the applause button?
You said you'd know how to use that. And if you're interested in buying your own soundboard, links below.
Always looking to make money from the Amazon affiliate.
And talking of making money,
yeah,
we've not had the sign up to the Watermelon Squad that I'd hoped on Patreon. So I'm thinking maybe we could use this situation to create a prop that will incentivize people to sign up. Maybe like a watermelon.
Right.
It's great. Put it on your neck. Oh, lovely, comfy.
Watermelon has nothing to do with the Filmmakers Club. It's done, it's dusted, and you know, that makes me want to use the plate again to go Nerf. Right, so you've done the edit for this video, have you?
Yeah.
Sometimes you can use plates to make people appear or disappear in your videos. Disappear. That's better. So you can see plates can be used in many, many different ways. I'd like to show you some more ways from behind the scenes.
I'm still here, you know.
How did you do that?
It's a bit weird, I feel a bit sick. Can we skip forward?
Okay, let's jump forward and look behind the scenes.
Oh, what's happening?
So here we are, we're behind the scenes of our traditional studio set. So this set, which will be familiar to you, has our base layer plate, if you like. The studio entirely empty with fixed aperture lighting. We've got the backgrounds, got ambient lighting. You can see there the tables and chairs as it sits. Now, the crucial thing here is to keep the base layer plate entirely empty. So that's my shot. I've got controlled lighting. I won't have any issue with using this for my matte layers or plate layer. The table will be the first part of my plate. Now, it's important that I don't overlap with my arms into that plate. So you'll watch as we're sat in the video and see that we're very conscious of where things will appear and disappear, ready for our plate layer to be dropped in. The other thing that you'll notice from the monitor is where AJ will sit. What he doesn't know is I plan on putting in another plate layer just there to mat AJ out of the shot, because it's always handy when you've got something like this to be able to make AJ just disappear. Appear, disappear, appear. I mean, it depends who does the edit, but rock, paper, scissors, we normally decide everything. It's just an easy way. It kind of gets around all the HR issues of bullying.
Right, so that's it.
Yeah, well, what I've done there is...
I'm going to be honest, feel a bit sick from all that jumping around. I don't know what it is you did, but can we not do that again?
It's like jet lag. It'll clear. It'll pass. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If this is the sort of thing that you're into, make sure you tune in on a Wednesday where I come up with some wicked filming ideas.
Wicked?
Yeah, I'm down with the...
You're down with the 90s, kids. You're going to draw Shaq S next.
Hashtag wicked. Hashtag Filmmakers Club.
Hashtag Watermelon Squad.
No, that's done. But whilst we're talking about Watermelon Squad, if that's the sort of thing that you're into, if you like these filmmakers hacks, maybe some free music, then join up the club. We get paid a little bit of money from you to keep doing what we're doing, maybe drink a little bit more tea, and
you get free music for your videos.
Win-win. So we could see you over there, or we could see you in the comments. And until Friday, thanks for watching.
Wow, you did the ending.
Yeah, it's my video.
You really got this.
Yeah.
I felt like I was on a journey. I felt really comfortable.
Good. Glad you enjoyed it. They enjoyed it.
Yeah.
What we like for time?
I mean, we're well over time. Mainly because it's been all you, and feedback here is not good.
Disappear. See you Friday.